family, you don't know, so we're there for the nyamins. So let's get into the recipe. So family, here we have our chicken, which is already washed with vinegar and cleaned. What I did, I cut some slices into our chicken because we want to season down to the bone. You know your girl love bone already, so my chicken has to be seasoned down to the bone. So we're gonna cut into the chicken, gonna cut here, and then we're gonna cut there. Next thing we want to do is to pour some olive oil over our chicken. What the oil does, the oil locks in the seasoning. Yes, so pour it all over and then we rub it on our chicken. Next, we want to go in with our powdered season. Here I have all-purpose seasoning, chicken season, smoked paprika, and black pepper. I'm not using any salt because salt is already in the all-purpose and in the chicken season. We're now gonna mix them all together. I'm now gonna go ahead and pour the seasoning on our chicken. And next we want to go in with some jerk marinade, and this is my own jerk marinade. The link will be in the description below, and the full recipe also will be in the description below. How do I get into the description below? Click on the title of the video and it will bring you to the description. I'm now gonna go ahead and add some dark soya sauce to our chicken. You can use soya sauce or you can use browning. What we want to do now, want to mix that seasoning into our chicken well. Usually it's good for you to season overnight or at least an hour, but guys, if you don't have time, you can just go ahead and make it, because I've done it before. It will still taste good, especially when you have a good jerk marinade like this jerk marinade here. It is the bomb, so your chicken will taste good any way you do it. Okay, we're just gonna let the chicken sit for a while and then we go ahead with our grilling process. So over here I have my baking tray with a grill, and what I've lined the baking tray with some foil paper and I've greased the grill to prevent the chicken from sticking to the grill. My oven is already preheated at 200 degrees Celsius. Guys, I really wish I could grill outside, but to be honest, we're having a rainy summer. I've never seen a summer so wet and cold. What I did just now, I poured some water in the tray, yes, to help to keep our chicken moist. How is the summer by you? Okay, so we're now placing the chicken or jerk chicken on the grill. Yes, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven, but we're gonna check on it in 30 minutes. So in the oven they go. So after 30 minutes, this is what our chicken looks like. Nice and lovely. That charred color, that's the color that you're looking for. We're now gonna go ahead and flip our jerk chicken on the other side and then put it back in the oven for 30 more minutes. Normally, if your chicken produces a lot of juice in the tray, what you can do is take a spoon and take up the juice and sprinkle it over your chicken. Or some people use beer. You can also use beer over your chicken. So we're gonna put them back in the oven for 30 more minutes. So after 30 minutes, this is what our jerk chicken looks like. Wow, amazing. Oh, the smell in this kitchen, guys, lovely. So guys, we're almost there. Patience. 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes, and our jerk chicken should be ready. All right, so back in the oven, jerk chicken goes. And while our chicken is in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and make our jerk sauce. So over here I have a bowl which we're gonna make our sauce in. Guys, I want to take this opportunity to tell you thanks for your tremendous support. Our channel is now monetized. Thank you, thank you. It would not have been possible without you, and I also thank God. Thank you very much. There I've gone in with some ketchup, and now we're gonna go in with some soya sauce. And next we want to add some jerk marinade, my own jerk marinade. Yes, jerk sauce is very easy to be made, guys. And then I'm going in with some brown sugar, or you can use white sugar, it doesn't really matter. And then you want to add some water here and mix it all together. And remember, I said the proportion of what I'm using will be in the description below, but it all depends on how much sauce you're making, how much ketchup you use, and so want to stir this all together. And then we're gonna put it on the stove and let it boil for a few minutes. So here I have a pot. I'm now gonna go ahead and pour in our sauce. So it's about 10 minutes and our sauce is here bubbling. As you can see, guys, it's getting thick. Yes, jerk sauce must not be too runny or too thick. So there it is, guys, nice and lovely, our jerk sauce. After 1 hour and 10 minutes, there we go, our delicious jerk chicken. Look at the color, charred. That's the color we're looking for. Wow, my deliciousness. I'm now gonna go ahead and plate out some of our chicken, and I'll be right back. So there we have it, our delicious jerk chicken. Guys, the aroma in this kitchen is so amazing. Guys, you know, I went off camera and I had to taste a piece of our jerk chicken. Who could resist such a chicken? Guys, the flavors are just popping. Try the recipe. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and commenting. And if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for some more awesome recipes. Also, remember to click that notification bell that says all, so whenever I make a new upload, you will be notified. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.